Working with term-to-term rules in sequences. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are sequences in math? 2. What are the components of sequence? 3. What are the common types of sequences? 4. What is sequence notation? 5. How to find the nth term of a sequence in a shorter way using the sentence notation. 6. What are the rules for calculating the nth terms of some common sequences through the corresponding formulas? 7. How do you find the nth term of combined sequences? 8. How do you find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence by solving a system of linear equations? 9. What is the procedure for finding the nth term of a quadratic sequence? Introduction. If there is a list of numbers, for example, 3, 6, 9, 12, can you find more numbers that belong to this set? What about 1, 5, 12, 21, 43, 59, 60? Can you guess what number comes next? Why? The same question for the list of numbers 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Can you recognize any pattern that helps you find which number comes next? This tutorial focuses on sequences, mathematical objects that represent lists of numbers and/or items that have a kind of relationship with each other. The tutorial provides an introduction to the sequence concept and related ones, with some general features that we elaborate on further in the next tutorials in this chapter of math. That is all for introduction to working with term-to-term rules in sequences. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 12.1.1, the definition of sequences. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.